So you want 5% on the side of your truck. Well, I might not give you 5%. Just let me explain. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Wayne from Fade to Black, and like I always say, thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel, asking comments, engaging with the channel. I greatly appreciate it, and I greatly appreciate helping everyone. I'm trying to have a little bit more video, more content about just kind of educating people on what I go through and some of my customers and what they're experiencing and what they're doing with some of their vehicles. Now, on this vehicle, I've had a lot of people wanting 5% on a lot of their trucks, you know. So I thought I'd take this second just to show you guys what I've been doing with some of the vehicles that have been coming through my shop, and kind of what I've been teaching people and telling people about putting 5% on some of their trucks. Now, I'm not gonna get into 5% and it's too dark and this and that and you can't see, but one of the things with people and their trucks, when we put 20% on the front, usually what we're trying to do is just get a match to the back as best we can. Now, I know it bugs a lot of people when one shade is lighter, like if you put 50% on the front and the back is kind of considered 20%, it bugs you, you want it to match. That's what most people come to me when they get their vehicle tinted. They say they just want it to match. They don't even know what shade we're gonna put on the front for, let's say, a 20%, but they do know that they want the tint to match. Put 10% on the rear, 5% on the front, put a visor strip on this one. It's been really popular in the last year or so, people just going over the whole truck. I post on my Facebook post that people are stepping their game up because a lot of people just think that the back privacy glass is just not dark enough. So they've been stepping it up, they've been going over everything. It's very popular, like I said, in my area in central Wisconsin. And I post stuff about trucks because I do a lot of trucks. I mean, I can't even tell you how many trucks I do every week. I do a lot of trucks. So I'm getting pretty familiar with a lot of these trucks, and I wanted to show you guys this because if you have a truck and you're riding around, this might be an option for you. But like I said before, we could just do 5% on the whole thing and make the rear dark. It's kind of up to you, but I think 20% on the rear, 5% on the front makes this truck look good. So if you like this video, man, please give it a like down below, and smash the subscribe button if you want to see more content about window tinting, vehicles, vinyl wrapping. I do all that type of stuff. I have tons of video on my channel about that. I installed the tint on this truck a little bit earlier. I didn't film that, but I have tons of install videos, and I'll have tons of install videos as time goes on. So thanks again, man. It's Wayne from Fade to Black. I thank you guys for watching. Until next video, stay faded. Peace.